Good morning, students. Today we are discussing problems. Already some problems we discussed. Today itself, exercise 4.1 from 8th class, exponents and powers. Here up to 6th problem, 6th first Roman we discussed yesterday. Now we are discussing 6th second problem and 7th problem, 8th problem, 9th first problem. See, 6th second problem, first exercise from the exponents and powers, 6th problem in that first second sub. Here what is the n value? Here asking what is the n value. So bases are same, power should be added. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. By using this formula, we have to add the powers. So minus 3 power n plus 1 plus 5 is equals to minus 3 power minus 4. By using this formula, nothing but a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n formula. Bases are same, power should be added. So minus 3 with the same base. Take one time base and add the powers. So n plus 1 plus 5, n plus 1 plus 5. Next, minus 3 power n 1 plus 5, 6 is equals to minus 3 power minus 4. Again another formula, a power m is equals to a power n, double implies m is equals to n. This formula you have to apply here. See, bases are equal and we have to powers also equal. Now n plus 6 is equals to minus 4. Here plus 6 transpose to right hand side. Here plus, there minus. So n is equals to minus 4 already there, and plus 6 transpose to right hand side, it is minus 6. So n is equals to minus 4 minus 6, minus 10 is there. So n is equals to minus 10 answer. These two formulas, by using these two formulas, we calculate the n value. Okay na? Next, coming to 7th problem. What is the value of x? That asking. X value what? Fine. Here 2 power minus 3 is equals to, here one formula I said. What is those? 1 by a power n is equals to a power minus n. This formula. 1 by a power n is equals to a power minus n. In the same manner, 2 power x comes to up. So 2 power minus x. Okay na? Again 2 bases. Again this formula used here. Bases are equal, powers also equal. Bases are equal, powers also equal. So comparison these two. So minus 3 is equals to minus x. Minus minus cancel. So 3 is equals to x. So x is equals to 3. That is the x value. Okay na? Next, this one, 8th problem, very very important. What are those values? 8th problem. In this, before going to learn this problem, one formula is there, that is a by b whole power minus n. I want to nullify the minus value. I want to nullify the minus value. Just reciprocal it. Just reciprocal it. A by B means B by A. B by A. Whole power n. Okay na? There is a one formula to reciprocal. Nullify the negative value. Minus n. Power minus n. Means B by A whole power n. In the same manner, just reciprocal it. 3 by 4 means 4 by 3 whole power 2. Division. 4 by 5 whole power minus 3. I want reduce, I want nullify the minus 3. Means change the numerator as denominator, denominator as a numerator. So 5 by 4 whole power 3. Next 3 by 5. Here also there is a negative sense. Nothing but reciprocally. So 5 by 3 whole square. Okay na? Means I want to power as a converted as a plus. Negative sense means we have to convert as a positive sense. So reciprocal the fractions. Reciprocal the fractions. So 4 by 3 whole square, division 5 by 4 whole cube, next into 5 by 3 whole square. Next, expand it. So 4 by 3 whole square, division, it converted into multiplication. Then after that it reciprocal, again you have to reciprocal. So 4 by 5. Yes or no? Nothing but, for example, 1 by 2 division, 3 by 2 is there, for example, or 3 by 4 is there. What division meaning it is? 1 by 2 into, when it is goes to into, division reciprocal. So 4 by 3. In the same manner, into means division goes to as into, reciprocal 4 by 5, 4 by 5 whole cube is there. Again into 5 by 3 whole square. Okay na? Next, expand it. Expand it. So 4 square by 3 square into 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square by 3 square. Okay now, see 5 square is there. So 4 square into 4 cube into 5 square by 3 square into 5 cube as written as 5 square into 5, 5 square into 5, yes we can write, and 3 square. 5 square cancel, remaining 4 square into 4 power 3 by 3 square into 5 into 3. See again a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Bases are same, power should be added. So 4 square means 4 2 plus 3, 4 power 2 plus 3, and 3 power 1 is there, 3 square plus 1 into 5. So 4 power 2 plus 3 means 5 only by 3 power 2 plus 1 3 only. So 5 power 1. So means this answer 4 power 5 by 3 power 3 into 5 power 1. Okay na? Tomorrow we will do next problems. Thank you.